guys, Chris at Rockford Ordnance. For those of you that are a little afraid that we haven't been showing too many AKs lately and you're afraid we'll never bring them back, that's just not the case. Never fear. We're just saving up. We got something special coming here pretty quick for you. Hope to have it to you in the next couple weeks, and it's going to be awesome. So hang in there. Until then, though, I want to show you a product that I found that has changed my entire outlook on a pistol of mine. That pistol is a Glock 26. Got this pistol, bought it from a buddy, needed some money, got it cheap. Never cared for Glocks all that much, but it was cool, and you know, everybody raved about it as the be-all end-all carry pistol. It's 9mm, holds 10 rounds, 10 plus 1. Usually carry these Hornady rounds in it, and it's just a tiny little Glock. Comes with a couple mags, and the standard base plate is not this one. This has the finger grip that extends it, because as you can see, it's kind of short. You know, you get a grip and there's nowhere to go. You get 2 fingers on it, and that's kind of what bugged me. Now, I do have the little finger grip floor plate on here, which makes it look cool. It does add a little extra length to it, but most of all, it allows for a pretty good grip, but still not the greatest. You know, this is a pretty small gun, and it can be pretty snappy. It's controllable, but pretty snappy, and you only got 10 rounds, which always kind of bugged me a little bit. So I had seen a couple guys talking about this product, and I picked one up. It is called an X grip, and what it is just a little slide over mag filler piece. And what you do is, and they're specific to the mags you're going to use, if you're going to use a 19 or a 17 going to a 26, etc. So make sure you look at what you're buying. This one is specific to take a Glock 17 mag and make it work with the 26. So all you do is get yourself a Glock 17 mag, slide the X grip over it till it seats down at the bottom, slide the old mag in, and it extends the whole grip. So now I have a full-size pistol grip similar to, say, a Glock 17. Not to mention, I have the extra capacity of a Glock 17 mag. So makes it super comfortable, more controllable, and definitely more capacity. Makes this gun feel just a ton better. I love it. It's changed my whole outlook on the gun. I've shot it a little bit, but I'm going to shoot it a whole lot more. Love this thing. These things are pretty cheap. I want to say I got it for, I don't know, somewhere between 20 and 30 bucks, but maybe even less than that. But check them out online, X Grip. Just one of those little products I ran across that I really like. I don't think they're new to the market. I think they've been out for a while, but I really like them. There is a little bit of a gap, but it's a real smooth transition, front and back, and just works out great. Grab yourself one and see what you think. Love it. Totally awesome piece of equipment that makes a good gun even better. So again, thanks for checking in on us here. Thanks for watching our videos. We appreciate it. Please hit the subscribe button down there. There's going to be some cool videos coming out, so make sure you hit the little bell down there, and that way you'll get a notice when those videos come out. We appreciate it. Talk to you soon. Rockford Ordnance out.